Have you ever stopped to think, what am I putting into my body when I eat my food? Chances are, probably not, but we're here to tell you what does. Hi, I'm Layla Flores.
Hi, I'm Alexis Aguilar.
Hi, I'm Ashley Alvarado.
And I'm Brian Monares.
And we're here to teach you what actually goes into your body when you eat food in a
Taste of New Tech. So the teacher we got in log was Miss Aldana. She kept track of her meals for 3 days. The meals that we mainly focused on is her breakfast. So for breakfast on day 1, she had only 2 cups of coffee. This is not very healthy.
Now, although 1 cup of coffee only contains around 3 calories, it also contains around 95 milligrams of caffeine. And that's a lot of caffeine for just 1 serving of coffee and your daily caffeine intake. Now, although this was only breakfast for her, it contained almost none of the essential biomolecules needed to function throughout the day, which are proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, and carbohydrates. Now, proteins are used to build muscle and bone. Lipids, or also called fat, are stored energy. Carbohydrates are sugars and are immediate energy. And nucleic acids store your genetic information. Now, these biomolecules also have monomers to them. Proteins have amino acids, nucleic acids have nucleotides, lipids have fatty acids, and carbohydrates have monosaccharides. Now, if these 4 biomolecules are needed to function throughout the day, then this was not a good choice of breakfast.
For the second day, she still had 2 cups of coffee, but this time she added cream and sugar, but it's still not a lot. A fun fact about caffeine is that it can actually reduce dark circles and bags under the eyes, and it can help drowsiness, headaches, and even migraine.
So, for the third day of breakfast, she had 1 bean burrito and 1 cheese burrito, 1 chili relleno, and again, 2 cups of coffee. On this day, she thought she got a decent amount of carbohydrates and proteins with her burritos. This time, she had a pretty good breakfast. But there's one thing missing. How does all that breakfast break down?
Well, the answer is simple: enzymes.
But what are enzymes?
Enzymes are small particles that break down food faster, and they can only fit in one kind of biomolecule. So protein enzymes fit with protein biomolecules, and so on.
Well, now I know more about my health, and you do too. Be sure to get these biomolecules in your next diet next time you eat. This has been
Taste of New Tech.